Hey guys, so looking at this corner right here, you can see where all the oxidation is pretty much completely gone. Like all that's left is the non-filled paint. Lately, I've been really doing my research on chemicals and what chemicals are the base chemical inside of chemical cleaners that make them so good and everything. And now everything I pick up on the shelf, I'm looking at the ingredients, the MDMS and everything. And I found this cleaner near my small town, like right on a shelf in an auto store for like 20 bucks. You can see how I took the oxidation off of that aluminum siding. Here's a garage door, and it just like reactivates it and it bleeds right off. This was a prep to paint, but honestly, if they didn't want to paint it, it made it look that much better just from removing all this failed oxidized paint. And it's like you can see the little line right here. It's hard to see from the camera angle and the sun, but there's like a defined line like where I brushed. It works phenomenally. And then here is some fallout cleaning we did. Oxalic acid is not as strong as One Restore, but oxalic acid will remove light fallout. That was iron oxide fallout. You can see it here in the corners. I think that's UV damage, but yeah, gone. It takes a little bit. You have to let it sit for a while, but it still works pretty dang gone good. And this was a church, and we actually had a big issue on this one. The iron fallout on the other side was horrible, and it left a mess. But yeah, oxalic acid for the win. And I mean, almost every cleaner carries some oxalic acid on them. You can see where the fallout in the corners from the UV damage is gone. And right here, I took a quick video just to show the brush mark. It works. Oxalic acid will work. It's not as good as One Restore, but that's all you got. You can make